Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we've got a Vinted unboxing from the same seller that I got the previous lot from, and this is a really exciting package. There is two packages from this, but I really want to dive into this because when I checked out the last lot, because I bought another 10 which have turned up, she showed me this and I was like, oh, I've got to have that. Like, I literally can't say no to this. So we've got a 3-in-1 and another sort of crystal creations. They're both crystal creations, but we have got something rather special in here, as you can probably see from the packaging. But this is called the Jungle Creation or something. So yeah, very excited about this, and I can't wait. But apparently in here, I wasn't expecting it to be so big. It's quite a massive box, but in here we'll get the other thing out. We'll save the best till last, as they say. So very nice tractor bag there. And we have got, first things first, is our lovely Crystal Creations leopard, or cheetah if you like. Always get them back to front. But if you've never had this before, it's quite interesting because I have got one of these already, but it never did make it to filming. I think we may have done one or two, but I decided I was going to rebuy it, and she had it up for sale, so I was like, I'm going to rebuy it and just redo it. But in here, these are the really good ones, because what they are is basically a Crystal Creations set, but it's like a book cover sort of thing. So what you do is, it's like a book cover, sorry, the battery was warning, and you get all your drills in there, but you don't get a tray, because what you can do is you can pour them out into here. So that's what's really great about it, and I thought that was really fantastic. And as you can see, if we take this off here, it's basically a bit of tape stuck there, but it's basically a photo stand. So you get yourself a little photo stand, and I just thought that was absolutely perfect. And you've got yourself your color chart. Again, they don't DMC code it, so obviously if you lose your drills, you're going to be in a bit of a pickle. And you also get yourself this lovely crystal pen there, which is absolutely fabulous. So I've got that, really happy with that. And then she chucked a toy out the bag, and oh my god, she offered me this, and I could not say no to it. I've never seen anything like it before, but look at that. The ultimate Crystal Creations Animal Kingdom with 12,000 crystals. You've got yourself a butterfly, you've got yourself a peacock, and you've got yourself a deer. But look at this. How groovy is this? Apologies if you can hear Molly howling. My nephew is over and they've took him to the park. Can you hear her? She's probably like really howling. Molly, stop it. But yeah, I'll try anyway. She's just missing her, that's all. But I've never seen a crystal case with like this fancy handle and this book thing. This is just amazing, and I'll probably keep this box because it's very cool. But as you can see, I think that comes off, doesn't it? But I think that is superb. I mean, you've got this lovely box with a little, like, it's like a little briefcase. But in here, look at this. Look at the presentation in this. So very lovely done, because you've got these 3 trays which they've chucked in, and the packs of drills are superb, because obviously in here we've got all sorts of Crystal Creation ones. As you can see, this one here, you can see it's got loads of different gorgeous crystals. You've got a pink, a black, that's not a crystal version, but these are basically your crystals. Gorgeous blues, gorgeous. You've got oranges and light blues, loads of light blues, and a silver there. And that's for the peacock, sorry, the butterfly. I'm just going to place that there for the minute. And then we've got ourselves the deer. I'll probably take all this out, but that is, I just thought that is absolutely superb. And then in here, we've got the standard drills, and this is for the deer there. As you can see, some really beautiful colours there, which is fantastic. So again, I'll put that there and deal with that later. And then obviously we've got the peacock, which looks like this, which is absolutely stunning. So as you can see, we've got the really beautiful colours here. We've got a lime green, look at that, emerald sort of green there, some really gorgeous sort of tinselly colours there, and we've got the hot pink there. Really beautiful stuff. So absolutely fantastic. And as I say, I've never seen a case like this before. And then look at these. We have got, I'm not going to take it out of the package, but look, I've never worked with them sort of crystals before. It's like a gem or something. How cool is that? I think they're specials because obviously they've put that with this pack, but there's not one with that pack. But again, it's, you've got yourself your photo frame, and then also in here you've got yourself the little deer, and that looks absolutely superb. As you can see, you've got a photo frame as well. And as I said, I think there's something special about this because they've included these specials. I'm not entirely sure where they're going to go yet, because obviously there's normally if it's a big jewel, it will show a big place for it, but I'm not sure on them ones, or whether they're just like a free gift or something. But this gorgeous deer as well. And then you know my love for butterflies, and oh my god, I had to get this. Look at that. She offered it to me and I was like, chuck it in the bag. I want it. So that is going to be really, really beautiful for blue. And as you can see, you store it in this like little case thing down here. So as I said, I do work with crystal creations, as you can see with the wolf here, but I've never had a set that has this like really cool briefcase thing. And as I said, you've got yourself your little trays here, which is really good, and you've got yourself your pen. You know, when I said I really want something so that I can carry it, it's like the storage carry cases, but with this you can just basically fold that up, lock it at the top, as you can see, one there, one there, and then you can take that on the train with you with your little handle. Or you could use it as like, you can convert it into like a, you can get art cases like this, so you get like cases where you've got like loads of pens and different color pens in it. But that is superb, really, really something special with that case, and I'm absolutely over the moon. As I said, let me know what your favorite is. That is from Vinted. We've got plenty more coming from that seller very soon, but I just thought that was absolutely fantastic. The Ultimate Crystal Creations Animal Kingdom, brought to you by this lovely seller on Vinted. And just goes into the instructions. This is the sticker sheet apparently, but yeah, where we put them, we'll have to figure that one out. But as I said, it's so nice and presented that I wouldn't want to go like open it. It's such a lovely pack. But anyway, that's that. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future uploads of any videos that I do. And I'll see you very soon for another Vinted unboxing. And the next one is a ginormous bag. Yes, we've got 10 paintings in that, and a little Mickey Mouse tray. So I'm very excited for that. But until next time, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of future videos, and I'll see you next time. Catch you later.